Assalamu alaikum, dear group members. We continue learning the Uzbek language together. Last lesson we learned Uzbek numbers and Uzbek ABC. However, today we can learn this demonstrative pronoun and this in the Uzbek language. Now let's go to the second lesson. This demonstrative pronoun is translated into Uzbek bu. Bu demonstrative pronoun is used to refer to a particular person, things, or animals that is close to you. For making up sentence in the Uzbek language, in the first place, we can say bu, then any noun after this their affix. As a rule, we can add their affix at the end of the sentence. For example, in the first place we can say bu, after this any noun. For example, kitab, alma, daftar, and so on. Bu, kitab. At the end of the sentence we can add their affix. Bu, kitabdir. By this way, we made up sentence. Bu, kitabdir. In English, this is a book. Other examples: bu qalamdir. This is a pencil. Bu ruchkadir. This is a pen. Bu olmadir. This is an apple. Bu daryodir. This is a river. Bu guldir. This is a flower. We usually change their affix into me in order to make up question form or interrogative sentence. For example, bu kitabdir. To change the sentence into interrogative sentence, we change their affix into me. Bu kitabdir. There is omitted, then me is added, so as to make up interrogative sentence. Bu kitabmi? Other examples: bu qalammi? Is this a pencil? Bu ruchkami? Is this a pen? Bu olmami? Is this an apple? Bu daryami? Is this a river? Bu gulmi? Is this a flower? Now we shall learn to make up negative sentence in the Uzbek language. And the first is a rule by making up negative sentence in the Uzbek language. In the first place, we omit their affix, then emas word is added at the end of the sentence. For example, bu kitabdir. There is omitted, then emas is added. Bu kitabdir as a declarative sentence, and bu kitab emas is negative sentence. Bu kitab emas. This is not a book. Another example: bu qalam emas. This is not a pencil. Bu ruchka emas. This is not a pen. Bu olma emas. This is not an apple. Bu daryo emas. This is not a river. Bu gul emas. This is not a flower. Doing that, our today's lesson is finished. Today your homework is, in the first place, memorize the following words, then make up sentence with this word. And this lesson's new words, the following this: sher, lion, yo'lbars, tiger, bo'ri, wolf, tulki, fox, bug'i, deer, qush, bird, olmaxon, squirrel, zebra, ayiq, biya, sichqon, mouse. In the first place, I advise you to memorize these words, then make up sentence by using these words. Thank you for your attention. If you see our video lessons and the first time, don't remember to subscribe our channel. Goodbye, see you.